of this. Took me some time, I got hope. Took me some time, I got hope.
What's good, everybody? Your boy Josh X Flight, man. Back with another video, man. Today we're doing another video, man. Today we got another video for y'all, man. We doing killing. Let me see. We doing killing my boyfriend dog prank. So I literally got I literally got you know, sponge my hair, you know, you shit, you see me sponge that shit up, you feel me? But anyway, man, I just got up, man. You know, looking fresh, man. I got the black polo, you know, gotta stay name brand, you feel me? But anyway, we gonna do this prank, and yeah, let's get it started, bro. Let's get it started, man. You know, I'm gonna relax, watch this dog prank. We're gonna see how Dia and Joe, well, how Joe react to this dog prank. And yeah, and we got more reaction videos up on this way, so we're gonna run it up, you feel me? But like this video, man, subscribe to my channel. If you new, you know, just hit that, hit that red button, hit that subscribe button. If you new though, you feel me? But anyway, man, you know, enough of that talking, man. You know, my Twitter, that's basically it. My Twitter is on the description down below. So yeah, comment down below what reaction video I want me react to, and yeah. Just do that. Comment down below what reaction video I want me to do, and yeah, just run it up. You feel me? That's just run it up. Alright, man. Alright, in my head.
Gigi is so bad. He is so bad. Like he loves to tear up everything. Y'all see him playing with my. I don't even wear those anymore. But I noticed in the comments, y'all were wondering like, Day, you need to get Joe back. Where are you at with your pranks? Where are you at, Day? Where are you? I'm right here, y'all. Team Day up in this. Team Day up in the comments before I explain y'all I was about to go down. So we just got Gigi like, shoot, maybe like 2.5, 3 weeks ago. We've been rocking with Gigi for almost a month now. We really love Gigi. Me and Joe, we really love Gigi. And so Joe, because he really loves Gigi, I'm going to prank Joe by, I guess, showing him or tricking him into thinking that I killed Gerald.
That's messed up, y'all. Like,
I know that sounds kind of harsh.
Hey, it's harsh.
Y'all see it though,
but that's up to you.
Buddy, I promise you. Let me get this stuffed animal for y'all to show y'all. Gerald been trying to hump this all day. But yeah, I know this is like kind of a stretch. Like that don't look like Gigi. But no, it looks like Gigi from the back end. Like if you just see some looking like somebody you know flying off of a building, you're not gonna say that don't look like Demarie. It really do. Demarie just jumped off a building. Oh my gosh, call 911.
That's not funny.
Hopefully he doesn't even try and second guess that.
Yeah, alright, now y'all second guess that. That shit right there.
Gigi.
We trying to hump that thing. Look, you gonna hump that.
Hopefully he doesn't try and second guess it, but yeah. And y'all wondered how I'm gonna keep Gigi quiet. Well, we got Gigi some rawhides a long time ago that he just loves. They're like, it's like chicken kind of thing. Gigi. So he's gonna be quiet because he barks when he's alone. He's gonna be quiet by like just chewing on this. I'm gonna put him in a closet. So I already got another camera set up. I'm gonna set this one up on the balcony, and y'all just gonna see it go down. Team Day up in the comments.
That's crazy. She gonna do this prank on him. That's crazy, y'all. We gonna find out. We gonna find out the prank. Feel me? My bad. I'm on my phone a lot. Why Joe look like that? I ain't gonna lie. He just lost. Not lost, but you know what I mean. I don't know. I'm just playing though, you know. Man, I just literally just got up, y'all. I just woke up. Now, like, just woke up, but, you know, I'm kind of tired of shit. I got to do action for y'all, man. You feel me? Run it up. You can tell this video. He's over there singing, bro. Oh, that singing, boy. That's crazy. Put respect on my neck. Ain't gonna say it no more. Uh-oh, here we go, y'all. This is kind of messed up, though. I ain't gonna lie. You know, people that like their dogs a lot, bro. This is kind of like messed up. But hey, trying to prank him. Cause, you know, probably all the times he prank him. So. Oh, my heart just dropped, y'all. Not like a heart drop, you know what I mean? But that was kind of a little scary. I was like if y'all watching this, bro, tell me in the comment down below, did your heart drop? My heart dropped a little bit. I know it wasn't like a real dog, but this is like, you know what I mean? Like, you got that feeling. That feeling, you know what I mean? So that's crazy though. Now you pissed though.
Why are you playing like that? I'm about to throw this, bro.
No, he likes it. He actually likes it.
When did you even get this? Nah, bro, nah.
What does this mean?
Hey, why are you playing, bro?
What are you talking about?
First of all,
He pissed off because you. I mean, I know how you feel though. I know how Joe feel.
They easily can move down there and die.
Okay,
What the hell is wrong with you?
okay. Are you mad?
Yeah, I am.
Did I get
Don't
you
play
good?
with Jill like that, bro.
Did I get you good?
Don't play with Jill like that.
Fake GG, did I get him good?
Don't play with Jill like that, bro.
Did I get you
It's gonna be a
good?
problem. It's gonna be a problem. Don't play with Jill like that.
Where is Gerald?
Where is Gerald?
I don't know.
Find him.
She said, I don't know. Like, I don't know. I don't know.
Didn't he go with you?
I'm gonna see some more.
Hey, first of all, what is this?
It's Rawhide.
Get it out. Give me it.
Why?
Gerald. He's chewing on the whole thing.
Oh.
Alright, we're gonna skip to it, you know.
Choking on some rawhide.
If y'all like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And if you got something to say, go ahead and say it.
Say it.
And don't forget to subscribe for more of Day and...
Make sure you comment that this prank was don't play like that.
But who almost launched off the balcony though?
Me. Maybe I wouldn't have jumped off the balcony because I would have just killed myself. But
How do you know? You could have ended up with 2 broken legs. You would have been fine. You would have been fine. 2 broke legs. It's not that bad. Until next time, guys.
Peace out.
But that's in the prank right there, y'all. Anyway, man, like this video, man, subscribe to my channel, man. If you already not, you know, just subscribe to my channel. If you new, subscribe to my channel. That's what I meant to say. But anyway, man, this is, you know, see my face again, you know, second time. This is the second face cam on this reaction, not reaction channel. I do all videos, 2K videos, reactions, like you see right now, the pranks, and more like that. You feel me? So anyway, man, more reactions on this way. You know, dab on them. You feel me? We out here, man. You know, it gotta look fresh. You feel me? You know, make it fresh for the girls. You feel me? Man? But anyway, man, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah. Peace. You already know the outro is peace. I want like 5 likes right now. 5 likes right now. 5 likes.